sheep farm up in here. On my way back. I didn't see it. Check this one out. I read a story about a shepherd that lost his sheep. That's a rebel one. There's some goats up here too. They're not here. Getting aggressive with Mama. Guess he got his fill. Oh, I guess not. Okay. Alright guys, I appreciate your time and effort. You look like you're shoring there.